Luxury market appeal. Maui is renowned for its high-end real estate market, attracting affluent buyers seeking exclusive properties with breathtaking oceanfront views and top-tier amenities. Diverse architectural styles. The real estate landscape in Maui features a diverse range of architectural styles, from traditional Hawaiian designs to modern and innovative structures, reflecting the island's cultural diversity. Active volcanic influence. The presence of Haleakala, a dormant volcano, has a unique impact on Maui's real estate. Properties situated on the slopes of Haleakala often offer panoramic views and a distinctive, serene atmosphere. Sustainable building practices. With a growing emphasis on sustainability, many Maui real estate developments incorporate eco-friendly features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and energy-efficient designs to align with the island's commitment to environmental conservation. Strict zoning regulations. Zoning regulations in Maui are stringent, contributing to the preservation of the island's natural beauty. This factor influences the type of development allowed in various regions, ensuring a balance between growth and conservation. Cultural preservation initiatives. Maui places importance on preserving its rich cultural heritage, and this is reflected in real estate practices. Some properties incorporate traditional Hawaiian design elements and adhere to cultural preservation guidelines. Active vacation rental market. Maui's real estate market is influenced by the demand for vacation rentals, with many homeowners leveraging the popularity of the island as a tourist destination by investing in properties suitable for short-term rentals. Exclusive gated communities. The island boasts exclusive gated communities that offer privacy and security, attracting high-profile individuals seeking a discreet and luxurious lifestyle in a tropical paradise. Impact of tourism on property values. The tourism industry significantly influences Maui's real estate values. Proximity to popular tourist destinations, such as the Road to Hana or the beaches of Wailea, can impact property demand and pricing. Unique oceanfront challenges. Oceanfront properties in Maui face distinctive challenges, including erosion and saltwater exposure. These challenges necessitate specialized construction techniques and maintenance considerations for homes situated along the coastline.